In this video, we're going to look at how to delete the quiz button here and still access the quizzes. So I told you in the meeting, and Robin also echoed this, that we're going to keep this exact order, don't change it, and that is true because in the upper levels we have agreed that we will include certain buttons. However, for level 7, we're going to take the executive decision to delete the quizzes button. Why? Because the quizzes button shows not only our 2 quizzes, but also all of these pronunciation exercises that actually are not going to work, and I will tell you about that in a moment. So what we are going to do is delete it, and you can, when you delete the button, you do not delete the quizzes. You just delete the student access to quizzes through here. So go here to the 3 buttons, edit this nav bar. Go here to the X, save and close. All right, now if you want to access the quizzes, you personally, to edit things or change something, go to course admin. And you can find here quizzes, so quiz this. All right, and they're all still available here and you can make changes. But this will make life easier. So this brings us to the second part. What's the deal with the assignments button? Why do you have an assignments button? If you click on here, you will see that there are a few assignments here. Quiz 1, pronunciation task 1, speaking task 1. All of our graded assignments are in here. That's like one easy access button. It doesn't matter if it's a quiz, a speaking task, it's in here. What you can do then, you're going to edit these. Like if you click here, put edit assignment. You'll see that the instructions are already there, and when it's time to do the actual assignment, I will send you the PDF of the exam that you can upload here. You can upload VoiceThread here. And if you see in grades, it says, let's see, choose from grades. It's already set to a category called pronunciation task 1, so don't change that. That's automatically linked to the gradebook, right? And here you can, upload files. You can attach a link to an existing activity. You can attach a web link. If you put existing activity, see here. Now it's not showing. Let me delete this. Okay, you can go to external learning tools. And here you can find a voice thread and actually add a voice thread in here so the students complete the assignment right in here. So that's the point of having the assignments button. All graded work. You can create voice threads for practice in here, anywhere in here, but make sure all graded assignments are right in here in assignments. So I would recommend also you could delete the surveys button from here, because that way you just delete student access to the surveys, but you don't delete the surveys that you have done. See, you go here, click delete, save and close. And when I go into course admin, I can find surveys. And in here is already the survey that I put up yesterday, so you don't delete your work.